Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell about how to download MySQL for Windows. Let's start. Click on your Chrome browser and type here MySQL. Click the first link and you reach the official website of MySQL. Simply click the downloads, scroll down and click here MySQL community downloads and click on MySQL installer for Windows and click here download and click no thanks, just start my downloads, and you can see your download is start. Click here and open, and here your MySQL installer start to install. Click here custom, click next, and here add some files. Click here MySQL server, click here and drag this file here. Again click on application, MySQL Workbench, click here, select this file and drag here. Again click on MySQL shell, select the file and drag it. Click next, click the execute, and you can see here downloading is start. Click on I agree the license, click install, click on close and click next, click on execute, and it takes some time for downloading. And here all products are download successful. Simply click on next, click execute. It also takes some time. And click next, click next, again click next, click next, and here select a password, create a password, click the next, click next, and click on execute. and you can see here your download was successful, and click finish, click next and click the finish, and here your MySQL Workbench download successfully. Click here and fill the password. Click OK, and your MySQL Workbench ready to use. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates, and also follow on Instagram, link in description, and share with your friends. Thank you.